Hello and welcome. My name is David Isamoje. If you're just joining for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, it's the Thanksgiving season, and I thought about creating something unique for the Thanksgiving trend. Yes, it might never come so easy or too late or too early to create something unique when it comes to Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to do a quick Thanksgiving series, then I'll get back to my Christmas trend. Yes, Thanksgiving is around the corner, so we want to get that out of the way. Yes, I want to be able to create these designs for you so that you can upload to your Redbubble store, your TeePublic, Match by Amazon, your print on demand store, so that you can make passive income doing this. Can you do something for me? Just one thing for me. After this design or after this series, I want you to create as much Thanksgiving designs as possible and upload it to your print on demand store. This way I want to know how much you make from it at the end of the year. Also the Christmas series, I want you to do the same thing. So I don't want to waste your time on this. So I'm just going to go straight right into this one and create something unique. Yes, as you can see, it's canva.com opened. As you can see, super easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro, Canva Premium free from me for 30 days. So if you've not gotten that already, make sure you prepare yourself. I'm going to show you how to get it for yourself. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right onto this design and do this Thanksgiving design for you. It's super easy. You will not want to miss this. You're going to love the design, trust me. So let's go to create a design. Custom dimension, the standard is for 500. As you can see, the cool thing about Canva is they keep on upgrading week in, week out, so you're never left alone. This is the first time I'm seeing this recently used, so I'm going to use that. I'm just going to click on it since that's what I'm going to be using. It's going to open on a new tab, and I'm going to go straight right onto our design. For this design, the first thing I want to look for is yes, you got it right, a turkey. So to get that, I'm going to go to elements, right, and search for a turkey. Sorry about that. So now, hope you're still with me. It's going to be a super easy design. It's not going to be complicated, so make sure you stick around. We are just going to go and create something unique for ourselves. Okay, we're just going to create something unique for ourselves. It's not going to take our time, so let's just scroll through and find a cool turkey we can use. Right, let's find a cool turkey we can use for our design. Yes, I like this turkey, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, so all I have to do now is just increase this a bit. How do I do that? I move my cursor to this edge, press on my left mouse click button and drag in or out depending on where you want it to be, how you want it to be. So now we have that sorted. That's just the first step. The second step is to go over to text. You see how cool it is to use Canva for your design. Remember, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free for 30 days, so please don't click off. It's going to be a Christmas gift from me to you, so please don't click off if you've not gotten that for yourself already. So now we're back to test. We are just going to look for cool fonts. Okay, so let's scroll and look for a cool font. You can use this. All right, you can use this. So just make this bigger. As you can see, it's all white. We're going to change the color, so don't bother yourself about that. We're going to change the color. So I'll just increase this again the way I did for the turkey itself. Move my cursor to this here, press on my left mouse click button and drag outwards. Okay, so now we have that out, so just change it to the turkey color or something. Okay, I think I'm good with this color, so I'm going to ungroup it because you know there's a different font or text on that and I don't want that, so I'm going to delete that. So I'm just left with this one, so I'm going to Control A to highlight all. So this one is going to say, it's going to say pour. All right, it's going to say pour some. Okay, so you can see how easy it is. So it says pour some. All right, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to duplicate this. So how do I do that? I'll highlight it, click on it, press on your Alt key button and your left mouse click button and just drag that downwards. All right, so you can see it's match up. So this one is going to be Control A again, and I'll just change this to on me. All right, so just do it like that. We are not done yet, so I'm going to go back again and find another cool font. All right, I'll just find another cool font I can use. Okay, we can use this one. or we'll just use this one that say real love. Click on that, it should appear. Okay, so real love has appeared, so I'll make it bigger again. All right, click on it, go to colors, text box, text color, and I'll just change it to a different color. I can change that to a red. All right, so now we just move this up. All right, so you see I have some other text on that. I don't want that text, so I'm going to do what I did before. On group, click outside, click on this lower text and delete that. Okay, so this one is going to say Control A. We're going to Control A to highlight all, and this one is simply going to say gravy. All right, so just do gravy. Okay, so it says pour some gravy. So you might decide to make it all capital letters. It depends on you. So let's see if we make it all cap, gravy. Okay, so you can decide to make it all caps. It's all cool. You can decide to make it a smaller cap. It's all cool, depending on what you deem fit. But because we made the other text capital letter, I just prefer we leave this at capital letter too. So I'm just going to click on my turkey and just move it down a bit so that the text have some breathing space. And you can see it's super easy to get this design done. This design did take us a lot of time. If we check our timer, just about 6 minutes on this design. You can see how easy it is to create this unique design. It didn't take us a lot of time at all. Yes, this is the cool part. This is where I'm going to tell you how to get Canva Pro. But first, why do you need Canva Pro? You need Canva Pro if you want to get rid of this white background, because if you click on it, download, you can see it has a crown. This is to show you that it's a premium feature only. So you need Canva Pro for this, and you don't want your design to come with only one background because you want to upload it on different colors of shirts. So you don't want your design to come with only one background. So that is why you need Canva Pro. That's one of the reasons. Secondly, there are some elements which are cool, but you can't get them for free. The free ones are popular, so many people are using that. You don't want to be among that train. You don't want to be in that train using popular images. You want to be using premium ones which are scarce, which are not used often. So that's one of the reasons you also need premium from Canva. Secondly, the text, you want to use premium text also so that you stand out, so that you look more creative and all. So to get Canva Pro for yourself, make sure you check the first link in the description to get Canva Pro for yourself. And with that said, we're just going to hit the download button and download this. Okay, going to prepare your download. Once it's done preparing your download, it's going to download on the right hand side, as you would see. Okay, you see, pour some gravy. So just click on it, show folder, to make sure it downloaded properly for us to view. So now we just click on it, and you can see how easy, how super easy it was to create this unique colorful design for ourselves. So with that said, thanks for watching. To your right you see a playlist. Please make sure you click on that playlist and watch some other videos for yourself so that you have ideas for other designs you want to do. My channel is about creating design inspiration for your print on demand business. So please make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed. Make sure you like if you've not liked. And with that said, I'm going to see you on the next one. Stay blessed, my people.